everyone, my name is Anna. I've been lashing for over 3 years now. This channel is dedicated to everything lashes and beauty, so if you haven't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. In today's video, we're going to be going over our favorite cheap lash products on Amazon. So when you're first starting out lashing, supplies can get really expensive. So we're going to be showing you some products today, so that way you're not spending too much money right out the gate. So our first item on the list is aluminum foil. Aluminum foil is awesome as an alternative for a jade stone, so you can dip your glue onto it. It'll keep it nice and cool, so that way it doesn't dry up too fast. It's also an awesome alternative for a lint-free wipe, so when you're done dropping your glue dot, you can wipe it off on the tip and make sure that your glue is staying nice and fresh. Another thing that you can do is you can line your glue ring with the aluminum foil, and that way you're saving your glue rings and not throwing them away afterwards. The great part about buying the aluminum foil is that it comes in a large amount and you're going to be using just little strips at a time, so a little bit is going to go a long way. The next product on our list is our squeeze wash bottles. So you would use these squeeze bottles for your lash baths, for rinsing out eyes after removals. You can use them to fill up your distilled water with. They're going to be something that you use every single day, so it's definitely going to be worth your money to get. So you want to make sure that you use distilled water because it's the most sanitary for our services, and you're going to be using that every single day. So the next item on the list would be the Subway lash tiles. So when you're first starting, you definitely don't want to go for those fancy, cute, even our LivBay tiles, that even though they're so cute, you don't want to spend too much money out the gate. Buying these cheaper alternatives are going to save you so much money in the beginning, and eventually you'll be able to splurge on those fancy ones. But for now, just save your money, girl. The product we're recommending to you guys is actually comes in a pack of 100. So it comes down to being 60 cents a tile. So this box is going to last you a really long time. So it's really going to be worth your money. And on the subject of tiles, our next item on the list is going to be a photo organizer. And it just so happens to be the perfect size for these tiles that we're recommending to you guys. They lay perfectly flat. They come in a big case. They lay straight and flat. They're airtight sealed, so they're gonna be perfect for state board regulations. You can put your different lengths, curls, styles all in these different boxes and label them accordingly. So it's really going to be awesome for you guys when you're first starting out. So let's talk about some alternatives for primer. Our next item on the list is going to be a saline solution. This comes in a pack of 4. At LivBay, we use Saline Solution for all of our clients, and it's an awesome money saver for you guys if you're not ready to splurge on a primer. It works just the same as a regular alcohol-based primer, and it's going to be awesome for your sensitive clients, and at the end of the day, it's going to save you the money in the long run. The reason it's great for our more sensitive clients is because it's, in a sense, pretty much contact solution, so it's not going to irritate their eyes. There's not going to be any fumes or anything like that. Saline Solution does have a little bit of salt in it, but it's so diluted it's not going to affect your retention or anything with your lash process or anything like that. But another awesome thing that Saline Solution does do is it's great for making spikes. Because of that little bit of salt in it, it keeps your spikes together, and I always recommend it to my students when I'm teaching them how to make spikes. Our last item on the list is going to be our dental bibs. These are essential. They're awesome to use, so that way you don't get glue on any of your furniture. It's the worst day ever when you get glue on your chair or your massage table. We all know if we get glue on our clothes that it never comes off, so these are going to be a great lifesaver. They also work really great for a lint-free wipe also, so whenever you're done squeezing your glue off, you can wipe it off, burp it out there, and no residue is going to get stuck on your glue nozzle, so it works awesome for that too. Don't get discouraged with the prices of the most expensive things out there. Like I said, when you guys are first starting, you definitely want to start off saving your money because you want to do this for the long run at the end of the day. You know, here at LivBay, you know Shauna, she loves the 99, she loves the Dollar Tree, so we totally support saving money over here. There's nothing to be embarrassed about. There's tons of different options on there too. There's tons of lash supplies on there, so do whatever you got to do so that way you are successful in your lash journey. Don't be shy to reach out to us in the comments, in the DM, on Instagram, wherever, Facebook. We're always here to help you guys out, so don't be shy. We are more than happy to help if you're looking for an alternative for a cheaper item. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We hope it brought you a ton of value. Just so you guys know, and if you're interested, just starting your lash journey, we have a ton of lash classes coming up. So if you're interested in learning with me or any of our other awesome lash trainers, and you can go to livbaylashclass.com and find a city near you. Question for you, what are your favorite cheap alternatives for lash supplies on Amazon? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks guys, bye.